Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add shortcuts in Google Chrome. Let's begin. So once you open up Google Chrome, you are going to create a new tab, for example. Now here under the search bar, you're going to have a few of your shortcuts already added, especially if you visited a few web pages. So here you're going to select Add Shortcuts, and you're going to enter the name of the shortcut. And then you have to paste in the URL. So I'm going to go back to YouTube Studio where the audio library is, and you are going to copy the URL and then select copy. Then you go back and enter the URL at the bottom here, select paste, then select done. So if I close this tab and I go to the bottom here, then select audio library, what you notice is that it's going to open up that same web page that you entered into the URL. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.